me that you love me.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making 2 aeroplanes for you guys sitting at home in one video. So let's get started. For the first aeroplane, it's going to be a round one and it goes pretty far. So yeah. And first you make a square. Then you make a triangle and you fold this backwards like this. So yeah. So you can see one folding in this way. So then you open it like this. Then you can see a line here. We cut it on that line. So yeah, you see we have a square. Just turn it like a diamond. Then you take the down part and fold it up like this much. Then you fold it again. Okay, boom. So I'll show you that again. We'll flip it twice like this, and make sure they're like this and like this and not popping out at all. Like they have to be at the same level. So after you have something that looks like this, all you have to do, this is the rolling part where it looks like a circle. So what you have to do is just take it like this, put some glue over here. I've got some glue right here. So just gonna put some glue right there, like that, and put some glue. So just have to spread some glue on that. Then I'll keep it there, and you see that you'll have a pocket over here. Just put the glued part into the pocket like that. Slide that in and like just press it so that it dries, and voila. The only thing that's missing for this, and every aeroplanes need this, is wings. So we'll show you how to make that in a second. So yeah, do you remember that we cut the square and we cut it like one part? You can make a like wing for the aeroplane. So to make the wing, take some scissors and the paper you use to cut those. To make the square at the beginning, and then cut it like this in you just need one stripe of the paper. So just need to do that. Then you'll have this, which you have right here. So now you have to stick it onto this part like that, so that it will fly. So I'm gonna glue it. Okay, keep the glue. Now we keep the wings. Okay. Like that. Yeah, you need to be even. Yeah, like that. Yeah, you need to be even, and now it looks like this, and our aeroplane is ready. Well, let's try it. That was big. One more try. This flight pretty good. So next one we're going to be making a glider. We're making a glider, and I'm taking my favorite color paper, blue. So let's get started. First, fold it like this into half, like that. Make a good crease. If it's too fast, you can always pause it, and then you have a crease like that. Take from both sides and come to the middle, so that you have a triangle on this side and a triangle on this side. So you have triangles on both sides. Now on your finger you will see that you have some lines like that and like that. So just put the first line like that, put your finger right there, pull this thing down and touch it till your finger and then crease it out. So crease, then like that, and as you can see I have something that looks like this. Now you can remember the thing that we folded from the middle, the first step we did. The line which we made will still be there, so do the same thing we did before. Make two triangles, so from the sides to the middle. Make this as sharp as possible, that from this side like this, and crease it out. Then you'll have something that looks like this. As you can see, we have a triangle sticking down there, so that just so that we can like put this thing and just hold it there. We're gonna take this up and put it like that, right there. So after you have something that looks like this, just from this part, like from the top, just bring it a little bit down. Like you don't have to measure, just a little bit down, but not too low, but not also too much. You just need a medium amount like that. Then what you have to do is flip it like this, and then the line you had that was going this way, like the line, just hold it on that line, then smash everything so that it's very sharp. So just gonna do this. Then we have something that looks like this, and every aeroplane needs some wings. So I'm just gonna make wings, and for this to glide in wind, you need to have very big wings. So you can see, very big. Then this side, just fold it and fold, and as you can see, very big wings like this, like that. And then you have to, like, you will see that you have this, hold it like that and make the wings straight, like just fold it a little bit so that now it's straight, and our glider is ready. I'm gonna show. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button down below, and if you want to see more videos about crafts and cooks, everything like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the team. Bye, stay creative. Bye.